Three things that can cause water leakage or roof leakage after solar panel installation and to avoid them. Number one, stepping on the roofing ridges. Now, if you climb your roof, you'll notice your roofing sheet has a ridge and it has a gutter. If you're an installer or an end user that your panels are about to be installed, warn the installers very well not to step on the ridge. Stepping on the ridge can cause the roofing sheet to bend, and that bending will lead to tear. So once your roofing sheet has a tear or has a bend, with time water will gather there, and if there is no escape route, it will get into the roof. Number two, stop using nails and hammers and stop drilling directly on waterway or on gutter. Your roofing sheet has this ridge, has a gutter. Do not hit nail directly on that gutter. That is where the water flows. Do not drill your nail, your screw on that gutter, because if you use nail and hammer, especially for people that uses nails and hammer, that force will cause expansion. It will cause a big hole in that gutter, and you will not notice it. So with time, if rain starts falling, there will be a little drip through that nail into the roof, and that will cause leakage. Number three, which is the last of them, do not step where there is no wood. Yes, stepping on place where there is no wood will cause the roofing sheet to bend. That bend will lead to leakage. Yes, because it will cause an expansion, meaning where there is a joint between this roofing sheet and the other can open up, and if water gather there, with time there is no escape route. The only way for it to escape is to get into that joint in between the first roofing sheet and the second roofing sheet. So if it gathers there for long, that's the only way it will not get into the roof. Like this picture you are seeing here, the installers were not careful enough, and there will be leakage on this roof. Now you can see how there is a bend. They didn't step directly where the wood was. They step like some inches away from the wood, and that will lead to leakage. Number one, avoid stepping on ridges, because stepping on ridges will cause the roofing sheet to bend. Number two, do not drill or do not hit nail directly on the gutter. And number three, stop stepping on where there is no wood. So if you climb the roof, you will notice where there are nails. Anywhere you see nails, meaning that is where woods are.